Hello. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about God, purpose, and life, helping you become all that God has designed for you to be. I am Susie, and welcome back to those of you that have subscribed. And if you are new, welcome, and please consider joining our Blessed Ones family. So that's what I'm calling you. You all are blessed ones. I'm speaking it, I believe it, and you are blessed. So today's video is just start your YouTube channel. It's in easy mode. How your YouTube channel can help you. And so listen to this. 42% of Americans have less than $1,000 in their savings account. 10% have no savings. Yes, 10% have no savings. And it is disheartening. It is hurtful. I've talked to so many people that are really, really hurting. I've given people food that didn't have food. I've even had a family in my home since they had been basically kicked out of their hotel room. I've done that, given food to people in front of the stores. It's very hurtful, very hurtful. So this video is part of my series or challenge called Get Your Money Right. So you will find this video in my playlist along with other videos to help people come out of that stagnant place, because as I said, it's very, very hurtful, you know, to hear the stories of people just having so much trouble just getting by. Daily necessities, the food prices are so high, rent, products that we're buying, to the point where now the quantity has been reduced, but the prices have gone up. So for example, a while back, I went and bought a fish sandwich. So when I got home and opened it, I noticed that they only put half a piece of cheese in there. I was so shocked. I said, oh my goodness, it's to that point where now they can't even put a full slice of cheese on the sandwich. Oh my goodness, what is this world coming to? So this video is just to give you one way that you can increase your income. Just one way. And actually it's a pretty good way. Years ago, I created my first YouTube channel when I was still teaching in the classroom, and I just did it for fun. I just uploaded some fun videos for the kids. You know, I wrote some songs about some lessons I was trying to get them to understand and comprehend, and I just uploaded them. And I did that because I wanted other teachers to be able to, you know, to use. It was just something fun. And I stopped, and I was thinking, wow, if I had not stopped that, I could have taken that so far, so very far. And they're still up and they're still getting views, but I just have not posted anything on there. So I did go on my own YouTube journey years ago. I just didn't take it very seriously. But now I am, and I'm learning about it. I've learned so many things about YouTube that I didn't know before. I am improving as I go and as I learn. So I want you to consider it if you need additional income. It does take some work, but there are lots of people out there that can help you. Lots of videos. I've watched so many videos, you know, to help and to give me some direction and guidance. So why start your YouTube channel and what it can do for you? Because it can really change your life. YouTube has changed a lot of people's lives. YouTube has allowed people to leave their apartments and buy their first homes. I was listening to this one lady. She's single. She had like 5 kids. They went from a hotel room to an apartment, and now she owns her own home now because of YouTube. So YouTube can really, really take you from where you are to where, you know, you want to be. So consider that. If that's something that you would want to do, consider it. You know, just start. Just start. Don't let the fear stop you, because anything new is fearful. Anything new that you do, there's going to be some kind of fear attached to it, most likely. But if you don't start and just put yourself out there, you'll never know. You'll never get to that next level that may require you to step out of your comfort zone. And that's one thing it can help you do, step out of your comfort zone. And that's how you're going to build confidence. So you're going to build confidence, you're going to step out of your comfort zone. And I've talked about before how when I was teaching, I did my very first workshop. That was scared. Getting up in front of some teachers for the first time, that was so scared. But at the end, talking to them, learning about how it helped them, that was such a confidence booster for me. And so that's what, doing that way back when, years ago, that helped me do this now. If I had never done that, I may not be doing this. So that gave me confidence. And when I first did my first live, I thought about that. And I said, oh, okay. So I had to reach back into my own past experiences and realize that, you know what, I did it back then. I did something scared back then. I can do this. And when I went on live for the first time, I just went on for a few minutes. So don't even go on for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Just do it for a few minutes just to build up your confidence. So you don't have to, you know, do this long 30-minute video. Just do something short, sweet, put it out there, talk about what you want to do, and then stop it. Do it again another time and increase your time. Just do it a little bit at a time. Okay, so just start if that's something you want to consider. So it can build confidence. It can help you get out of your comfort zone, which also builds confidence, and it gives you a good feeling when you accomplish something. When you do something scared and you get through it, that's such a good feeling. It's such a good feeling. And it can add additional income. For YouTube, you can make money from AdSense. Once you get monetized, you can make money from that. You can be an affiliate. That means that you can sell other people's products and get a commission from it. You can create a course. You can create digital products, ebooks, worksheets, planners, all kinds of things you can do. There are a lot of things that you can do on YouTube that will open up the doors for you to create additional income and have a better life for you and your family and your kids. What else can it do? There's Amazon. You can be an affiliate for Amazon. You can sell your own t-shirts. And so these are some things that I've done as well. So you can put your t-shirt links on there. People can also, I've seen some sites where they have like a donation button on that particular site. And the donation button is just for people to donate funds to you, to say thank you, to support you. Because when you're doing a channel and you're giving information, there's research involved. It's not, just coming on. Sometimes you can't just come on and just talk, but there's research sometimes that has to be done. So it takes time. And it's your way of helping others and giving back to them. So they want to give back to you by, giving you a donation. So that's also possible. So YouTube can really, really help you increase your income and make your life better, so much better. And also a lot of people have quit their jobs, their day jobs, and a lot of people are doing it full time. It's possible. So never say what's not possible. It is possible for you to do it full time if that's what you choose to do. And now I've seen a lot of older people, people at my age, in my age group, and even older than I am. Like there's a 80-year-old lady, and she's teaching people how to exercise and lift weights, and she's 80 years old. And she had a big group in there. She had people in there much younger than she is. So there are so many things you can do. So many things you can do on YouTube. So we talked about being going full-time if you want to, getting satisfaction by helping others, and then they give back to you by watching, liking, subscribing, because that helps you as well. You can build a business and a brand on YouTube. You can build your business and a brand on YouTube. You can document your life and your travels. A lot of people have traveling YouTube channels where they, document their travels from state to state, country to country, around the world. So you could do that. You can develop your passions. Think about how many cooking channels are on YouTube. I watch a lot of those, and I've learned a lot of cooking channels. So just because there are other cooking channels doesn't mean that you can't, have your own cooking channel. So you might have a different twist on some of the foods that you make. So you can develop that passion or any other passion. There are people that are very good in art. So there are art YouTube channels. Okay, so why is it a good idea to start a YouTube channel? It can also help you build connections. So, which is what I'm trying to do with you. So I hope I'm building connections with you. You're coming back and you're visiting, commenting on the videos, giving me your input, your ideas. So it can help you build connections with others. A lot of the people you won't know. When I go back and I think about my first workshop I did for women, I knew none of those women. Not one did I know. And so I was able to build friendships and connections with them, even though I did not know them before the workshop. They were total strangers. So having a YouTube channel can help you connect to others. And some people have even gone to collaborate with each other. You might see a YouTube channel and the host might be interviewing somebody else. So there's so many possibilities with YouTube. And I am enjoying the journey and learning so much and stepping out of my comfort zone and not letting that fear hinder me. The fear is going to be there. Like I said, it's new, but don't let it hinder you and stop you from something good, from something that can really, really help improve your life. So why it's good to start a YouTube channel? And now is the good time because YouTube is also promoting people that have smaller channels, people that are just starting out, like me. I'm just starting out. So, and people are calling it in easy mode. So, and I appreciate that, give us little people a chance, So also it can be a type of expressive therapy, you might call it. You can express yourself. You can share your life with others. You can give your input and your ideas, and people can give their input and their ideas. So it's expressive therapy. So it could be a form of therapy for you. Also, it can unleash your creativity. There's a lot of creative people on YouTube, a lot. So there are people that are into art, people that are into, it could be doing sculptures, it could be painting, whatever. There are so many possibilities. So consider it. It's just something that you can do to bring you extra income. And even if you're not in it for the extra income, it's just something that can also develop you, develop your skills and your talents and things like that. So it's a great idea. So consider joining our YouTube family, and we can support you and give you encouragement and inspire you, to go on and do your great things. And it can help you fulfill your God-given purpose. It can. You want to give back to others. So it's a way of giving back. So really consider starting your YouTube channel. I encourage you, I support you, And if you do, come back to this video and comment and let us know that you have started your channel so that we can support you and give you encouragement and watch your videos and like and subscribe and turn on those notifications, just as I will hope you do for mine, because I am trying to fulfill my purpose, help you live better, be all that God has ordained you to be without fear. You know, step out, step out. When you step out and you step up, it gets easier and easier. So I'm just here to encourage you. I am your cheerleader. I'm your cheerleader. I'm going to tell you to go do it. I'm not one of those that's going to, you know, try to discourage you and hold you back. That's not who I am. I like to speak life into people. I speak life, hope, because we have enough of the other people that are trying to hurt and discourage and ridicule and be mean to us. I'm not about that. You have what it takes. God has already placed in you what you need to succeed, to go to that next level, to elevate, to become all that He has ordained you to be. You have everything you need. He's just waiting for you. And when you step out, He'll give you even more. He'll put those destiny helpers in place for you. So I am encouraging you to really get out there. Put yourself out there. You can do it. You can do it. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Okay, guys? Thank you for stopping by, listening. Please comment, subscribe, share your ideas, your comments, turn on your notifications. I would love for you to watch those videos on Get Your Money Right, the challenge, to help you level up and be better. Your best life. Your best life. Take care, guys. Love you. And we'll see you on the next video.